What's up, you guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to Sincerely Shamsa. My name is Shamsa, and today we are at the laundromat trying to get some laundry done. I have a whole bunch of laundry that I've just been storing and storing and storing. Now it has piled up to a huge one, so I decided to go to a laundromat and get them done. It is morning. It is early morning. It looks like there's not a lot of people in here, so I'm going to try to get my laundry done as fast as I can. Laundry is not one of those things I enjoy doing, especially when I have to go out to do laundry. So I do have a washing machine at home and a dryer, but hey, I got to do what I can do to save some money, right? Like that water running and that gas bill. Ooh, the gas bill. Oh my God, forget about the water bill. The gas bill is what kills us, okay? Since it's been cold, like lately, we've been getting a lot. So just decided to take it to a laundromat, pay a couple of dollars, get it done, and we're out of here. I hope that this video motivates you. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. This is the amount of laundry we have. We got 2 bags over here, that one. I enjoy going to a laundromat early in the morning to get my stuff done. I usually just go to a laundromat to just like wash my blankets, the heavy ones that my washing machine I have at home cannot handle. But sometimes I have so much clothes that needs to be washed, and I just hate to use my washing machine at home. And I've been praying to have a washing machine at home, by the way, and alhamdulillah, I'm grateful that I have one. But I'm not gonna be like irresponsible, and I mean irresponsible by just not thinking about the cost of because there's you get water bills, you get electricity, gas, and all that. I would rather go out to wash sometimes, and then sometimes wash it at home whenever I can. But on this particular day, I had so much, so I just decided to take it to the laundromat. I think I had about 4 loads of of laundry, but yeah, alhamdulillah. I love going to this laundromat. This is the only one in our area that actually has their washing machines and dryers that work, and they have a really nice management that will try to get everything fixed right away for you. And the other thing is their hot button, like the selections of the water levels, like if you want hot, cold, or something like that, the temperatures. If you click on hot, you will get hot. If you click on warm, you will get warm, and if you click on cold, you get cold. The other ones, they're not like that. And so we loaded all of our clothes in the washing machines. My son decided to come with me, so he's helping out.
They call me Rhamzan.
Alhamdulillah, we got our clothes loaded in the washing machine. We're just waiting for it to finish, and then we're gonna put in the dryer. Something about this laundromat is you have to pay for drying. The older before, when I used to live at my other place, we didn't used to pay for drying. They included that in the washing. So for drying, you get unlimited time. So but for this one, they do charge for drying your clothes. But I really love their dryers. I think if you put 50 cents, that should be enough. It will dry your clothes really, really nicely. I have about how many loads we had? 3? Yeah. I think 3 in there, yeah. 3 in all. But I feel like washing your clothes, especially when you're a big family, I feel like washing your clothes at the local laundromat or something is
is much cheaper compared to washing it at home. Like if you just look at your water bill, if you're using electricity to dry, or gas, that's money too. Like gas is a lot more money. That's what I noticed. I don't know about electricity because my dryer is gas. The washing, it's money. That machine runs on electricity and water for washing. So yeah, so I just decided to take it to the local laundromat. I do use my washing machine at home. That's just like for smaller loads. When I have a big load, I just take it to a local laundromat. Like especially when I have blankets to wash, I just take it here. It's a lot more easier, way cheaper than having to pay 200 on water bill or something like that. So yeah.
So our clothes are done washing. It is time to load them into the dryer. And about this time, people were starting to come. So the laundromat was starting to get packed. Mind you, this is like a small place. So I was in a hurry to get everything done. Plus, somebody bought their pet, which was a dog, into the laundromat. And if you're a Muslim, I'm pretty sure you understand, especially if you're a Somali, the fear of dog that we have. Subhanallah. I was in a hurry to get everything done. My son, he was supposed to film for me. He was like, nah, mom, you just do this yourself. I'm not getting close to that dog. So by this time, our clothes have dried. These white ones have dried. The only thing that I had to add extra money to was the towels, because it takes them a bit longer to dry completely. But everything else, alhamdulillah, dried.
We're waiting on this one and that one over there to finish. Okay guys, we are done with our laundry. We're about to go home. Alhamdulillah. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and it gave you motivation. I am going to fold my clothes at home. I don't want to do it at the laundromat. There's not enough space. It's a very small laundromat, so I'm gonna fold my clothes at home. If you guys would like to see a video of me folding next time, let me know, because as of right now, I don't want to add that to this video. I don't want to make the video too long, but I hope that this video motivated you to get some laundry done. And remember, I do upload motivational videos, cleaning videos here on my channel, and lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. and be sure to turn on your post notification and give the video a thumbs up. Oh, by the way, I spent about like what, $18 or something like that. $19.25. $19.25. Okay, $19.25. If it were like me washing and drying at home, that's gonna be a lot for like my water bill and my gas and electricity. So I feel like whenever you have a whole bunch of laundry to do, just go to your local laundromat if you have one, and if you don't, then you can do it at home. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any other suggestions, let me know in the comment section. But yeah, I hope that this video motivated you. If it did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my other video. Bye.